Alright, what's going on YouTube? Y'all know we're back. We're on our way to Cars and Coffee. We're back in the C7, you know, Justin C7. Since then, this thing now makes about 650 compared to 455 stock, because it's just a Stingray. It chops, we're on headers, we're tuned. I know we have an exhaust as well. So this thing pushes. My GoPro, again, it's fucking up, so we're gonna try to push, we're gonna try to, you know, do shit, you know, get it for the video, little POV video cruise. You know, we're gonna start off 2024 right. So, you know, I'll just let y'all enjoy the sounds for now. Hell yeah, I know y'all can hear that chop. It is crazy because when you're like going slow and like idling, you instead of like just hearing it, you now feel the chop. I don't know, this thing is crazy, man. I love this car. You know, I want one of these so bad, bro. I love this car, man. I don't know, such a huge jump from just a little twin turbo V6 to this fucking chopping V8. I just did a pull off camera, just like barely even to 60. Wasn't all the way, but holy shit, this car is amazing, bro. It's like you really gotta like press it to like find out what the car can do. This thing is fucking insane. Yo, mark my fucking words. End of 2024 or 2025, we're gonna be you know, we're gonna be riding in these. We're gonna be fucking doing crazy shit, man. So quick little update. Turns out we're actually not even going to Cars and Coffee yet. We're going to a shop out here in Fort Worth. I got lost in the sauce, you know. I got carried away. So, you know, we gotta fucking wait for everyone else, and then so right now they're behind me. I took the exit and they're behind me. And I'm sorry for all the cuts. You know, I feel like it's kind of hard to enjoy the car with, you know, recording it, you know, especially you know, with a phone in my hand. I kind of want to just be like in it, you know. I want to be like in the zone and shit. So I'm gonna try not to cut as much, and, you know, be able to, like, you know, really push the car. You know, at the owner's request, we're gonna be pushing it, you know. All right, guys, we're back with everyone else. Fucking after probably some of the worst communication ever, but yeah. So we're just gonna tail behind them for a little bit, you know. I don't have the car manual, so I can't downshift under tunnels, but, you know, we're still gonna be doing this shit, you know. Oh my god. fucking idles on this car is so crazy. This thing is amazing, bro. I know it's crazy because I feel like, you know, you really own the fucking road with this thing. It's like, especially on the highway. Especially on the highway. You know, you could really like go anywhere. Oh shit, cop. I feel like for my Q50, for example, I'll make 300, you know. I'm slow. I feel like that's like completely, you know, you're just like an NPC, you know? Fuck, man. All right, YouTube, so we're at a shop right now. Damn, we're here. We're probably picking up one of Castillo's cars. And then, you know, we're gonna be on our way to Cars and Coffee. Hopefully not too late. It starts in about 30 minutes. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm guessing he's gonna pick up his car. God damn, this thing is fucking insane. Oh my god. YouTube, they got a Hellcat right there. They got a, I don't know if y'all can see, they got a V over there. Damn. I don't know what they're doing with the ZR1. They're putting carbon stuff on the R8. So I don't know what I just showed y'all earlier. Yeah, I got the wraps up there. But it's just fucking sick, man.
You been here all night or something? Huh? You been here all night? Damn. I told you. Fell asleep over there at 5.